Roofing pros like you, with tons of experience but facing physical limits, can totally pivot into something just as solid without losing that paycheck while you level up. So, here's the deal. First, aiming for roofing estimating is smart because you already know the materials, the time it takes, and what to look for on a roof. Start by checking out local community colleges or online courses for construction management or building estimating. Many offer flexible schedules so you can keep working. Next, think about hitting up building supply distributors or lumber yards. With your background, you'd be a huge asset helping contractors pick the right stuff and understand what works best. Try reaching out directly to places like ABC Supply or 84 Lumber and ask about inside sales roles or customer service positions. They often want folks who get roofing inside and out. While you're at it, build up your network by reconnecting with contractors and suppliers you know, letting them know you're moving into estimating or supply roles. Don't forget to brush up on Excel and basic project management software. They're tools every estimator needs. Also, consider freelance estimating gigs. Some companies hire part-time contractors to help estimate projects remotely. Finally, keep your mental health in check. Talk to friends, family, or even a counselor because this kind of career shift can be rough emotionally. One of the biggest mistakes people make when switching from hands-on roofing to estimating or supply roles is underestimating the importance of learning new tech skills. Don't skip training on estimating software or spreadsheets because that stuff pays off big time. Another common issue is not networking enough. It's easy to feel isolated after leaving a long-term job, but staying connected opens doors you didn't even know existed. Lastly, many folks get stuck thinking they have to make a huge leap all at once. Instead, take small steps by freelancing or part-time work while studying. That way you keep income flowing and build confidence. BigHomeProjects.com is a great tool if you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors or suppliers. It helps homeowners find reliable pros without wasting time. For contractors or folks like you stepping into a new role, it's a smart way to get your name out there and start building a client base fast.